Plugged in, and we're gonna see what this thing looks like. There we go, there's the logo. So I'll probably have a bit of 7-up to do before we get something on the screen, so let me get that done. Alright, so I went through the setup, accepted the terms agreement, hooked this thing up to my Wi-Fi, and this is coming through LG channels, which is quite interesting. So I've never seen this before, but it looks like I'll have to read it up that LG has some kind of internet streaming service that we're getting some interesting channels through here. So there's some IP channels. I clicked the list that was up here, and it shows me everything that's available. Nothing I probably would normally watch, but I have to say this is pretty cool out of the box. It's like some college humor. Pretty cool, huh? So the remote, it's the upgraded version. I think it's called the Magic Remote or Magic Wand. Wasn't a big fan of it on my other LG TV that I had years ago. You know, there's some upgraded features on this thing than compared to the previous one, but it has some quick cue functions. So I'm gonna push on one of these and see what happens. I just want to note that the colors on this TV are very impressive. Smooth, crisp, clear. The apps that are available on the TV I had to download Netflix and Amazon. They downloaded pretty quick, and that Magic Remote, not a big fan of it, so I got through it. But TV's looking really good right now though.